This video of the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction is going to go over Section K, the tower roof. The pieces are first removed and prepared, and I continue to prime, then paint the trim elements in the semi-gloss white. The top of the roof tower was painted in an eggshell gray to match the other rooftops. I chose to leave the interior of the tower in the yellow primer, but looking back on it, I would have preferred to paint the interior white before assembly so that it reflected more light and appeared brighter in the interior space. Only the ceiling was painted in the white. This is the underside of the roof. Next, I used the strap clamps during the assembly to keep the rooftop in place while the glue was drying. The trim elements were clamped with clothespins. The curved panels were then attached in a similar manner as the mansard roof panels. The excess portions of the panels were filed down with sandpaper and a Dremel, then held in place with tape while the glue was drying. As I started building the tower roof, this was placed on the dollhouse tower to help ensure that it was fitting properly. The instructions mention that the tower roof is not glued to the tower so that the interior space can be accessed later. I followed these directions to help make this removable. However, for me, this was the worst fitting part of the entire assembly. I had to use the Dremel to enlarge the tab openings and file down some of the tabs to get this to fit without too much force. Thanks for watching.